Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable and disable FPS limiter on your Asus ROG Xbox Ally X. To do this, you have to open the Armory Crate command center by pressing this button. Then here find the FPS limiter, and if you cannot find it in this menu, then press Y button to customize this menu, and now select add option right here, and select the FPS limiter. For example, you can select this one for extended view, and now let's press B to go back. And now using this FPS limiter, you can set the one of the available values, or you can tap the FPS limiter right here to use the simpler widget that works the same way. So that's how you use your FPS limiter. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.